Hey guys, what is up? Jason Flegel here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 2018 edition. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And welcome back guys. We are looking at the GoPro Hero 2018 edition unboxing. So let's go ahead and jump right into getting this stuff out of the packaging and looking at first impressions. I have intentionally not done too much research into looking at the GoPro Hero just because I want to do an authentic first impression and an authentic unboxing video. So let's see what we've got here. So obviously we've got the camera itself in its plastic packaging. Set that right over there for now. We've got my invoice, and we've got so buying this off of GoPro.com, they end up giving you a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, which is kind of nice because I don't think I have any extra micro SD cards that are lying around that are not being used by something else. So I'll set that over here for now. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the plastic here. And again, one of the things you get with GoPro is exceptional quality. So even in their packaging, they do very good branding. They do very good high quality packaging, which I really like. So yeah, the outside of the box, you know, it's mentioning 10 megapixel camera. You've got the 1080p, waterproof down to 10 meters, 33 feet. Right side of the box, I guess left side of the box, it's sharing some of the things that come with the GoPro. That's kind of cool, so I guess we'll get into that. This is one thing I have heard about online, the quick stories, which looks kind of cool. I'm excited to check that out. This is actually my first GoPro camera. My brother, I think, had the Hero 5 GoPro, which he really enjoyed. So this is kind of cool. I'm looking forward to kind of playing around with this thing. So, well, let's see. This baby open here. That's pretty cool. So it's explaining how to get the camera off. That's pretty cool. So here's a good view of the GoPro camera as I took it off its little holding kind of thing. That's pretty sweet. I really like the design of it. Cool. Okay, I'll set that down here. Let's see what we've got in here. We've got the packaging material. Sorry, this fell on the floor. Oh, cool! It's telling you, giving you good step-by-step instructions, which is nice. Okay. Oh, cool! GoPro stickers. That's awesome. I love that. I always love looking for more stickers. I'm a big sticker kind of guy. I love putting stickers on my laptop for sure. So you got your product information, safety instruction manual. Let's see what else we've got in here. We've got the battery. Apparently this is for mounting mounting on a helmet. Mounting on a helmet, or I guess whatever you want to mount it on. That's pretty cool. I guess that's another one too. So they give you 2 of these. That's pretty cool. Shout out to 3M for doing the adhesive technology there. Then you've got your charging cable, I'm guessing, or your cable to connect to your computer device. So, well, this is awesome. I really like this. 2 thumbs up for GoPro for the packaging. So yeah, I'll be doing a more in-depth review of the GoPro Hero 2018 in a future video. So definitely be on the lookout for that. But again, I wanted to do a really authentic, first impression unboxing video, just because I didn't do too much research into what's going on. So the next video will be, as I mentioned, more in depth. It'll be, a good kind of test. I'll do a number of good tests, kind of showing what it can do and, what it's not so good at doing, which if there's anything, I'll be sure to mention that. But yeah, if you haven't, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, just to be notified when that video goes live. So thanks guys, and remember to keep moving forward. Thanks.